India, a painfully beautiful country that is difficult to self-travel through, yet is deserving of a visit to gain an understanding of the developing world. Indians have a strong sense of community, a rich, vibrant culture, and have influenced cuisines across the globe with their spices and seasonings. The historical buildings like the Agra Fort, Jama Masjid, and the Taj Mahal exemplify Islamic, Persian, and Indian architectural masterpieces. And in this video, we visit the Taj Mahal, our seventh wonder of the world.
Good morning, ma'am.
So we ordered a cheap Uber and we were dropped off at the Taj Mahal West Gate. Almost immediately though, we were met by an aggressive tout. And if you don't know what that is, well, I'll let this man's behavior explain it.
Two linemen inside Taj Mahal. Two linemen inside the Taj Mahal. I'm official tour guide for Taj Mahal. License, my office.
No, thank you.
Without guide, sure, not too much, ma'am. Without guide, inside two lines. Sunrise missing for you. The good pictures for you, ma'am. Inside. First ticket window line, second anti-line. 2 hour, 3 hour time waste, ma'am. I'm come with you without line ticket. Quickly entry, ma'am. Guides are not too much. That's only 500 rupees.
So this tout eventually realized that we weren't buying whatever he was selling, and eventually he walked away. And if you're visiting Agra for the first time, understand that this is pretty standard practice. All right, we just got to the entrance. As you can see, the touts are already in full force. Barely got out the car, immediately greeted by a man who was trying to sell us a tour or something. Just want to walk in and buy our own ticket. Okay, so we're at the West Gate. The ticket booth office is to the right, and the entry gate is to the left. So when you come to the West Gate, make sure you walk to the right to buy your ticket first, and then after that, you could hop in the entry gate. We made it inside the Taj Mahal past the entrance. That was just absolutely madness. Oh my God. And they had, India is a conservative country, so they have two separate security lines, one for the men and then the other for women. So we had to separate. I had to take my bag off and put it in through the scanner, and it was just a mess. But we're here now, and it's a magical morning. And it's about 6:15 in the morning. Sorry, 6:30 in the morning. And I think we were just part of the morning rush. After that, there wasn't really that many people in the line. But damn, look at this gate. And then the Taj Mahal in the back. Wow, with the morning light, morning colors. This is just magical. I feel like an overwhelming sense of like calm. And I think I said that earlier when we were at Humayun's tomb. And as you can see, the gate kind of looks similar to the tomb that we saw yesterday. Okay, let's walk through this gate. I was reading about the Taj Mahal, saying that it took 8 years for the actual mausoleum to be built, but then it took an additional 20 years for the entire complex to be built. So in total, just under 30 years. That is amazing. That is a beautiful sight to see. Look at Gabby.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Yeah, you can see why it's one of the top world wonders.
It's crazy, isn't it?
What? What is this place? I feel like I stepped into like a fairy tale land. This is an absolute architectural masterpiece. I'm seriously at like a loss for words. We've been to 7 of the world's wonders, and this is really up there as far as one of the best I've ever seen. Wow, I can't believe I'm at the Taj Mahal. This is just insane. 17-year-old me would be so proud of the fact that I visited the Taj Mahal in addition to all these other places. Gabby as well. I don't know where she went. She was actually sitting on that bench over there. And she left. I was just taking my time, taking pictures and videos for you guys and for myself. It's just incredible. It's beautiful. I think it's a perfect perfect architectural design and engineering. Beautiful white marble housing Mumtaz Mahal, which was the wife of Emperor Shah Jahan, and she actually died during childbirth, giving birth to her 14th child. She passed away, and Shah Jahan was so distraught by her passing that a year after she passed away, he ordered the construction of the Taj Mahal in her memory. So what a beautiful mausoleum. I cannot stop taking pictures and videos of this place. I think it's perfect. Everything about the complex is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. There's beautiful pools that lead up to the facade of the Taj Mahal. You can see why it was selected as part of the 7 new wonders of the world. And this is up there. This is like top 3 wonders of the world for me. Look at the marble. Look at the marble that I'm walking on. Oh my goodness. And you have this beautiful pool of water, the blue paint on the perimeter leading up to the facade of the Taj Mahal. You have 2 buildings on either side. And you have the beautiful morning light rising out of the east. 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's pretty packed. So it's a Tuesday. It's pretty crowded. But you can understand why. This place is very magical. It's very beautiful. One of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. Intricate details on the face of the building. Perfectly shaped marble blocks composed of these towers. I keep saying wow and damn and oh my gosh, and it's beautiful and it's incredible, but it really is. Like, this video isn't really accurately depicting what I'm seeing or what the video is trying to illustrate. You really have to visit the Taj Mahal to gain an understanding of how impressive the architecture and design really is. Man, this is really impressive. I'm almost more impressed with this. We've been to Jordan and been to Petra, and that's spectacular as well, but I'm almost more impressed with the Taj Mahal than I am with the treasury at Petra. They're both spectacular in their own right. Oh, goodness. I love how we have the red sandstone buildings, the facade there, and it contrasts with the beautiful white marble of the Taj Mahal itself. There's also another building on the other side of the Taj Mahal with red sandstone as well, constructed out of it. And have these red sandstone floors that I'm walking on. It's beautiful marble. It's gorgeous. And then there's the river on the other side. We haven't even gone to see that yet. And we still haven't gone over there on that platform to walk around yet. We're just so like in awe of the beauty of it. Can't stop taking pictures and videos. So we're gonna head inside now. We have to put on these shoe coverings on our feet, and they're included with the price of the ticket. You also get a water bottle too, which is really cool. It's starting to warm up now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's starting to get pretty hot. Yeah, good thing there's a little breeze though. You could probably pick it up on the camera, but it is starting to get a little bit warm. Gosh, yeah, we made it to we're on the Taj Mahal. We're standing on the marble, the white marble. Like, we are actually here. It's crazy to see. Crazy to believe that we made it to the Taj Mahal, and one of the wonders of the world. It's a little windy, but hopefully it's not coming through on the camera. But if it is, it looks like this area is roped off, which is pretty good because they want to preserve the marble of the Taj Mahal. They want to preserve this. This is incredible, right? So you enter that way, you walk this way, and then into the mausoleum. So I think in the past you could probably walk around the Taj Mahal itself. So preserved. Very intricate details. I don't know if that's like language, those squiggly lines. Maybe that's Hindi or something else. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to look that up. But beautiful regardless. Nice patterns on the outside, the florals, the flowers and stuff. As much as I want to touch this marble, I want to preserve it as much as possible. I don't want to put my greasy hands onto the marble face. So if you do come to the Taj Mahal, try not to touch it. Let's preserve this piece of architecture for as long as we possibly can. And here's the entry to get inside. And there's the gate in the distance. We walked from there around. Okay. So no photography inside. So I'm gonna stop recording now, and then we'll pick up back up once we exit.
So we just came out of the Taj Mahal. Just the way that you see it on the outside with the white marble, it's all inside. There's a lot of like Islamic patterns and Persian patterns that were common and known during that time, and very intricate, right? Just chiseled in the white marble. We saw the tombs of Mumtaz Mahal, and then Shah Jahan as well. And so hers was specifically right in the middle because this was built for her specifically, and that was commissioned by Shah Jahan, who was her husband. And they have him laying next to her, but the real story behind that is that he was supposed to build his own Taj Mahal, a black one, that should have been like across this river that you see. And he had envisioned building a bridge that would connect both Taj Mahals together. That would have been a real beautiful sight to see. But the juicy story behind this is that Shah Jahan was imprisoned by one of his sons, Akbar, and it was over here at the Agra Fort, which we're gonna go to later. But he was imprisoned and died there, and so he died 6 months within the construction of this Taj Mahal. So he never kind of was able to build his black Taj Mahal. But I thought that was kind of like a cool and juicy story about the Taj Mahal.
So Shah Jahan was a brilliant mind in choosing this location to construct the Taj Mahal. It's right next to this river, which looks pretty shallow, but maybe guests and visitors can take a tour of the river and have a different perspective of this incredible mausoleum. And it's so well preserved still. I believe this was constructed in the 1500s, and it just looks absolutely pristine. I think that's Agra Fort. Not sure. I have no idea what it looks like. I didn't do any research on India at all before we came here, so I don't know how close we are, but it would look like, it would appear that that's most likely Agra Fort. Man, beautiful floral designs just painted right into the facade, and then you have floral designs carved out of the marble itself. And the inside of the Taj Mahal was incredible. We saw Mumtaz Mahal's tomb, and next to her was her husband, Emperor Shah Jahan, and of course she is in the middle of the tomb, and with Shah Jahan to her left. And it appeared that there was like a white gate surrounding both of their tombs, with an entryway that's arched, and again, beautiful floral designs that were painted on and carved out of the marble stone. So we're on the back side of the Taj Mahal, and I was just looking at how the marble is cut so precisely. And this wonderful view of the river, and I think across the river is gardens You could also visit those too. We didn't get a chance to visit those because it was just way too hot. But look at this view, the beautiful sunrise rising out of the east, with the little mist and stuff, and smoke and sunlight. It's amazing. You might be wondering why Gabby is wearing different clothes all of a sudden. Well, we thought the Taj Mahal was that incredible, we decided to come back the next day. The remainder of the video is from visiting the first day. Okay, let's carry on.
The Red Fort.
Oh yeah, you can see the Red Fort. Or Agra Fort. I'm trying to take as many videos as I possibly can for you guys and for myself, because I just like photography and I like videography. But I'm always concerned with, as a small YouTuber, do we have enough footage for me to edit? I never know until I get to the editing portion.
Can't stop staring. Staring. There's so much shapes and like geometry going on here with like the intricacies, the illusions. I don't know how to explain it. It's so beautiful.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video valuable, helpful, or entertaining for you, please do us a favor and click on the thumbs up button so that others can more easily find it. And if you want to continue watching our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you in the next video.